What is up, guys? Welcome back. We're gonna fix the truck. So this has got to be fixed. This is stupid. You can see the bracket broke off. That's what caused this to break, and the screw came out of that bottom one, so I never even got a chance to. That's what broke it. Probably was flapping. It wasn't really. It was just hanging on like that, pretty much. Okay, stop. All right, so I got metal exhaust gaskets now. Stop. These are BTR gaskets, and then I've got some colder plugs to get tuned on for nitrous, and I've got these valve cover gaskets now because I have this crazy oil leak, but it only really happens when I get on it a lot. So what I think's going on is this crappy catch can I have over here. Right here, you can see it's leaking everywhere, but it's not ventilating. So I'm just gonna remove it completely. You can see there's oil getting all over it. So I'm thinking if I remove that, that'll solve a lot of my problems, because there's so much crankcase pressure, because it's not able to breathe with that thing on. So I'm gonna remove it, and I'm gonna start moving this exhaust. Well, just pulling the headers off of the heads and put the new gaskets in there, and I will show you guys the old gaskets once I've got it off. So here we go. Alrighty, fellas, I just popped this this header off a little bit, but as I was popping these spark plug wires off, this one was barely on. So I mean, I wonder if that could have been one of the problems too. You can see it was just burning up on the tip right there. So you can see another one right here, looks normal on there, and this one looks like it's just been going through hell. So I'm gonna peel this gasket off. It's definitely messed up. So let me go get a pick and I'll pull this thing off. All right, so the gasket's off. You can see where it was burning through, where I had a leak. The other cylinders don't really look that bad, but you can definitely see on this one where it had a leak. Maybe a little bit on that one right there. Some right there too, maybe. If you look at the cylinder head, you can see down there towards the bottom where it might have been leaking. And on this one, you can see it was getting out around the top and around the bottom. This one was getting out around the top, and that one looks like it was maybe okay. So you can see how bad these Felpro gaskets are. I've never had a problem with them, but then again, I've never really looked. So I don't know. Maybe it's just the compression of my motor or something that's making them too hot and melting them. But I've got these steel ones now, so I'm gonna pop this steel one back in after I clean up the head a little bit, get that crap off of it, and jump over to the other side. Pretty beat up because of the tune. So now I'm gonna pull this valve cover off, place the gasket, slap it back on, and then jump over to the other side. You can see the oil's getting out right there on that corner, and the gasket looks fine on this corner, so I'm not really sure what's going on. I'm gonna assume it's just crankcase pressure. So I'm gonna slap this new gasket on. Okie doke, just got that valve cover slapped back on. We'll put these coils back on, put the spark plug wires back on, and jump to this side now. All right, so I just helped my dad. My dad just helped me put this in, this dipstick, and we left the battery connected, and the dipstick get hot really fast, burnt our hands. So all right, time for the next side. And here's the other gasket. You can see there's oil that got on it. I don't know, I think it was just a valve cover that leaked down, but oops, it looked like it was starting to leak around the edge there. I'm not sure though. Can't really tell on this one, but that's all right. I'm gonna replace it with metal. Got this side kind of off, so just get in there, scrape away what I can, and then throw that metal one on there. All right, header's back on with a new gasket. Now I've got to hurry to take these coils off, take the valve cover off, place the gasket, and then spark plugs. I'm losing daylight over here, so I'm trying to hurry. All right, folks, next day out here. I just got everything buttoned up, so I'm gonna throw this battery terminal back on now and go for this little startup. Here we go. You guys are gonna see a bit of trans fluid under there. You can see all that under there. It's because I was messing with the dipstick and it moved around too much. But here we go. All right, guys, thanks for watching. The truck's running good now. The only thing I need that's left to fix on it is that tail light, and I'll go pick up a new one from the junkyard. I probably won't record that, but right now I'm out in New York, and I created a video for y'all, like kind of like a vlog, and I'm gonna post that. I'm gonna post that on the channel for y'all if y'all want to see that. But thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to follow the Instagram at JackStanBuilds and subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.